Hello everyone. Now let's see how can we send data from one activity to another activity using intents. I will be using the same example like the Batman example which we used for our previous lecture. The only thing is I will now start introducing the data part. How do we start sending data? So as you can see in your resource, you can see that there is this put extra method that has been mentioned. The put extra method will help me to put a data in the intent before it is fired, and get intent will help me to receive an intent from another activity to this activity, and how to get data from that from that intent, right? So let us go and see how it is executed. I will make only minor changes here, and I will be able to send a small message from activity 1 to activity 2. Here I just need to do one thing, and that is to my intent I will attach a method called put extra. And here in the first, there are two parameters that I need to pass. The first one is a key. This key will be used to get the message which is being inserted in this intent, in this activity. The same message will be taken out in the another activity using this key. So let us name this key as MSG. And the second is all these options which are given here, you can use them. All right, so anything which you want to send, you can send. I'm going to put a string here, and the string will say I like Batman Begins. All right, so I have put extra here, and I have put a key here and the string message here, which should be received by the receiving activity. All right, let me go to the receiving activity, and in this case this receiving activity is the Dark Knight. This is the receiving activity, and here inside the onCreate method I will make some inclusions so that I can read the intent containing the data. Here I will make use of a class called bundle. Bundle class helps us to transport data from one activity to another activity using intents, and you will see how it basically helps us. I will create an object of this class bundle b is equal to get extras, get intent dot get extras. All right, here put I will start fetching the data from the bundle, and let me store that data in something called, let me create an object which I'll call as extra. String extra is equal to b dot get string. If you see here, let me type it again. See, b dot get string. The moment I started typing get string, ge string, the first thing is which I need here, and it also tells me that please put the string key here. All right. So this is what we will do, and this key will be matched with the same key which was sent from this previous activity, and that is how we will make sure that the right data is matched here. So if you remember, there we had used the key as MSG, right? So now I have this extra variable containing the value of the message. MSG is here. I'll show it to you again. This is the MSG, right? And the message is I like Batman Begins. Now let me go back here, and because now I have the data which has come from first activity in this variable extras. Now I can use it to display it in a toast message. And here I will type, instead of writing a quote here, I will just type extra. Now this extra is same as this extra because now I am using it I'm not going to type any character or any string inside quotation marks. I'm using an actual variable here, right? Now this thing should work. Let me let it in, let me run it in my emulator.